হাই বাবু ভাই, হাউ আর ইউ? কালকে বারবিকিউ পার্টি কেমন হলো ভাই? কিছুই বলেন না। যাই হোক, বুঝতে পারছি খুব শীতের মধ্যে খুব জমায় আর কি হয়েছে আর কি। আপনার মানে গার্ডেনিং ইজ ভেরি fascinating here. In fact, the rooftop gardening, it's a very unique and a holistic approach for us. Uh, In fact, it's the symbol, a reflection about the beautiful mind, because you know that it's not the very much easy task. We have to invest a lot of time. We have to catering. We have to take care of that type of tree. Need the pesticide. Need the cultivating, harvesting, and regular base the mud with the mix up, and you need a lot of time. And ultimately, then such type of result, the tomato growth here, these on, and it's a lot of production. And whenever we see this such type of production, it's really satisfaction of mind, but nothing else. It's like a hobby, and you know that such type of hobby our creates our mind freshness, and it also creates our that food for soul, in fact. However, wishing the best, Babu Bhai. The tomato is growing. Hope so your gourd maybe also the upcoming, and a lot of flower, a lot of bud is also is growing here. Uh, Thank you very much. Wishing for the best. Thank you, Babu Bhai.